From unlocking the secrets of the universe to discovering new worlds beyond our own, the future of space exploration is being shaped by one powerful force: artificial intelligence. But what exactly is the role of AI in this interstellar adventure? Join us as we explore the groundbreaking ways in which AI is transforming space exploration and paving the way for humanity's greatest leap yet. Don't miss out on this exciting journey. Watch now and discover the limitless possibilities of the final frontier. Today, many companies, such as NASA and Google, have already implemented AI to search for new celestial bodies and life on other planets, and even streamline the jobs of astronauts when they are in space. Let's take a look at the AI technology that is facilitating space exploration. Artificial intelligence is used in a wide range of industries today. One particular implementation of AI that has made headlines recently is space exploration. NASA reports that they have partnered up with Google, IBM, and Intel to develop advanced artificial intelligence technologies that would help drive the future of space sciences. Processing satellite images. The amount of data produced by Earth satellites are simply enormous. For example, Maxar Technologies, a space technology company headquartered in Westminster, Colorado, has over 110 petabytes in its library of images and adds more than 80 TB of data per day. Tapping into data center services is key for the Planet and other satellite startups. AI technologies are already being used to spot things like black holes and radio galaxies. AI tools are used to analyze data taken from the Gaia Space Telescope to discover new stars that could better explain the origin of our galaxy. Before AI and machine learning techniques were used to study the data, scientists would only identify about 100 stars. However, thanks to the new AI technology, this number has increased to 2,000 protesters. The role of AI in the development of satellites and spacecraft. Satellites and spaceships are incredibly difficult to manufacture. The manufacturing process involves many repetitive operations that require high precision. In addition, most of them should be performed in isolated rooms to avoid potential contamination of the elements of the future apparatus by microscopic life forms. According to NASA, many of them successfully survive in clean rooms, feeding on cleaning agents, and even in space. Biological pollution of the Moon, Mars, and other cosmic bodies can distort research data on alien life. This is why, recently, when assembling spacecraft, companies started using systems based on artificial intelligence algorithms to minimize contact with people. In addition to eliminating the likelihood of biological contamination, the use of artificial intelligence can significantly speed up production processes. In addition, AI systems regularly evaluate the performance of operations, the results of which help to optimize a lot of processes. Eliminating the human factor is equally important to increase productivity in production. Collaborative robots, or cobots, used on assembly lines take over the most time-consuming and error-prone operations. Conducting system monitoring. Like any other complex system, satellites and spacecraft require a lot of system monitoring. The list of potential problems spans a myriad of options, starting with the most predictable to the most improbable, from minor malfunctions to collisions with other objects in orbit. To monitor the state of artificial satellites, scientists use AI systems that continuously monitor the performance of all kinds of sensors. Such systems can not only notify ground control about any problems but also solve them independently. For example, SpaceX has equipped its satellites with a system of sensors and mechanisms that can track the position of the device and adjust it to avoid collisions with other objects. Artificial intelligence is also being used to navigate spacecraft, probes, and even rovers. According to experts, the technology used to control these devices is very similar to the systems that ensure the movement of autonomous vehicles. Outside of our planet, artificial intelligence also relies on combined data from a system of sensors and maps to track various parameters. Mission designing and planning. One of the main aims of NASA at the moment is to increase the exploration of space. By visiting planets like Mars, NASA can gain valuable insight into the surface of the planet, and the data collected is used for a vast number of purposes. When a new mission is announced, thorough planning is required. A lot of time is spent on the development of the mission plan, and there is no room for error. Artificial intelligence is being used to assist with mission design and planning procedures. Assistive technology for astronauts. Another area where AI is becoming useful in terms of space exploration lies with assistive technologies that are made specifically for astronauts. A few projects have been announced already, and some are already being tested. Simon is the latest of these assistive technologies that are now being tested. Virtual assistants are installed in spaceships and made available to the astronauts. These systems can provide vital information for astronauts during a mission into space. They can offer the astronaut answers should they have queries and also detect any potential hazards that the astronauts need to be aware of. Robonaut, another project that is currently in the works, will be used for tasks that would be dangerous for astronauts to do in space. This robotic machine will be equipped with the latest advancements in artificial intelligence. Space navigation. AI is now also being used to assist in mapping out planets based on photographs and data previously received. Technologies have been developed that fed millions of images that were taken by satellites and during previous space exploration missions. AI technology analyzes all of this data and maps out a planet. This helps to provide improved navigation for future space missions. New planet identification. While life on another planet has not been found yet, it is known that there are many more planets than we initially thought. NASA is also exploring ways to use artificial intelligence to identify new planets beyond our solar system. Data from satellites and previous space missions are used to assist in this process. AI technology analyzes the data to determine where new planets may be detected. Both previously collected information and live data from satellites are used together for planet identification. In conclusion, the possibilities that artificial intelligence brings to space exploration are truly limitless. With AI, we have the potential to discover new planets, understand the universe in greater detail, and even find extraterrestrial life. As we continue to develop and improve AI technology, we must remember that space exploration is not just about advancing technology, but also about expanding our understanding of the universe and our place in it. So let's continue to support and invest in AI research and development, and push the boundaries of what is possible in space exploration. Who knows what incredible discoveries we will make next? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on our videos.